Imagine you suddenly woke up to find yourself floating in a spacesuit in the middle of an infinite void. The Earth is not beneath your feet, and the sky is not blue. You are now in no place. But behind this terrifying silence, events are unfolding that the mind can hardly believe. Volcanoes that do not erupt lava but ice, rains of diamonds, and storms capable of swallowing the entire planet Earth without blinking. Welcome to our solar system, the place we thought we knew. But the truth is that we live beside real monsters. Did you know that right now, at this very moment, you are living on top of a ticking bomb? We reside in a quiet oasis called Earth. But just beyond our atmosphere lies a world of pure horror. And today we will go on a journey from which you will not return the same. We will visit the graves of giants and the hell of the neighbors. So fasten your seatbelt because we are about to break the limits of logic. Our first stop is the planet Venus, Earth's evil twin. From afar, it appears a dazzling golden world, but the moment we penetrate its atmosphere, we face a true nightmare. Venus is not merely a hot planet. It is the greenhouse effect at the peak of its madness. Temperatures there reach 465 degrees Celsius, which means if you placed a piece of lead on its surface, it would melt and turn into liquid within seconds. The atmosphere consists of 96% carbon dioxide, and the atmospheric pressure is so heavy that it turns gas into a state called a supercritical fluid, as if you were walking inside a sea of boiling liquid glass. Strangest of all, your day on Venus is longer than your year. The slow rotation makes the sun rise from the west and set in the east once every 243 Earth days, as if this rebellious planet refuses to obey all the laws of its neighbors. We move away from the heat and head toward Mars, the cosmic crime scene. Mars is not just a red desert, but a place holding terrifying geological secrets. There lies Valles Marineris, the largest canyon in the solar system, stretching a distance equal to the width of an entire continent. Beside it rises Olympus Mons, a massive dormant volcano so enormous that its area equals that of France, and its summit pierces the atmosphere to embrace space. Mars lost its magnetic field, allowing the solar wind to strip away its atmosphere and steal the waters of its ancient oceans. Today, if you stand there at sunset, you will not see a red twilight like Earth's. You will see the sun set in a gloomy blue color because of the scattering of light through its fine dust. Now prepare to meet the beast, Jupiter. This planet is not merely a ball of gas. It is a nuclear reactor that failed to become a star. It possesses the strongest magnetic field in the solar system, extending for millions of kilometers, creating deadly radiation belts capable of destroying the DNA of any organism that approaches it. Look at that red eye watching us. It is the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that has been spinning for 350 years and is wide enough to fit 2 Earths inside it. Beneath the gas lies an ocean of liquid hydrogen behaving like metal. Beside it orbits its moon Io, the most volcanically active body in the cosmos, whose eruptions launch plumes reaching 500 kilometers into space due to violent gravitational struggle. And the horrors of Jupiter do not stop there. Nearby hides the moon Europa, a smooth white world that appears peaceful, yet beneath its ice, it imprisons a mysterious ocean of liquid water, twice the combined volume of Earth's waters. There, in the pitch darkness under the ice, microscopic monsters may exist that have never seen sunlight. We quickly pass Saturn and its icy rings to stop at its moon Titan, the world that literally drinks methane. There, rain is liquefied gas, mountains are solid ice like rock, and volcanoes erupt freezing icy lava. we travel farther toward the edges to Neptune and Uranus, where the sun's warmth nearly disappears and wind speeds reach 2,100 kilometers per hour. In these planets, pressure crushes methane molecules, so precipitation falls as crystals of real diamond in the deep interior. Scientists even believe seas of liquid carbon exist, with mountains of solid diamond floating within them. Uranus is the strange planet that rolls on its side, causing its north pole to face the sun for 42 years of daylight, followed by 42 years of complete darkness. Now take a deep breath, because we will leave home. We will cross the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, the graveyard of ice surrounding our solar system, to enter the great labyrinth within the Milky Way galaxy. Look behind you. Our sun is now merely a faint speck of dust. We are sailing through a living monster 100,000 light years long, containing 400 billion stars, and at its heart lives the devil holding all our necks. On our way to the galactic center, we will pass the pillars of creation, vast gaseous clouds where stars are born and die. But beware the cursed stars.